What's going on? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to install carpet tack strips into a concrete subfloor. We're also going to cover the different kinds of tack strip that are on the market, the nails that come with them, and which is going to be the best for you in this particular scenario. So check this out. I'm on a new construction job site. We have a concrete subfloor here, and we're just going to throw some indoor-outdoor carpet down here to dress it up. Now this first strip, this is Tri-Tack. This is going to be the best product that you can get. We don't use a whole lot of this. It's a little more expensive and it's better for higher end carpets, but for the purpose of this video, we'll share it anyway. It also has a 5/8 nail, which is a short stubby nail. It's great for driving into concrete. So that's going to be the better product there. You're going to expect to spend about $30 to $40 per box, depending upon where you're shopping. Now this is the standard concrete tack strip. It has an 11/16 nail to it. It works on most concretes, but for really tough concrete, you want to use 5/8 pins or filler nails to go ahead and really have it sink in. So a lot of times this will do the job. More affordable too, about $20 to $25 a box, and you can find it at Lowe's, Home Depot, all your major big box stores. So let's go ahead and do a little test here and see which one's going to be the better performer. We're going to start with the 11/16. Like I said, that's what we typically use, and it's the more economical tack strip. It's perfectly fine for mid-grade carpets and cheap carpets. And so far, it's grabbing okay. So on this one, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nails on here. 8 out of the 9 grabbed right off the rip. So that means we're doing pretty good. It's decent concrete we're working with, so we're good to go with the 11/16 nails on this job site. Let's use the better product and see if we get the same result with it. This is the 5/8 nails here. So on this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 out of the 10 grabbed on that one. So I basically got the same result on that. So if you have decent concrete, go ahead and use the 11/16 pins. It's going to be fine. And then if you're shopping at the big box stores, you could actually buy an extra pack of 5/8 pins. So if you run into trouble, you could just fill it in with those little stubby nails and they'll grab just fine. So for more tips and tricks on the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to subscribe and then head over to CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. We have a DIY toolkit giveaway every single week. Get in on that action. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.